Today we are in Montemitro, a small village situated in Molise region, at just 30 minutes drive from the Adriatic coast, with all kinds of basic facilities. And this is a townhouse with two terraces and a garden situated in the town center. And this is the main entrance. There is a gated entrance. It is possible to reach the house with a small car. Here we find a lovely patio, perfect for eating outside. And this is the small garden that belongs to the property. It's a flat garden, so it will be perfect also for a swimming pool. And this is the main entrance. This is the main entrance, and as we enter, we find immediately a kitchen with a fireplace. It is a fully equipped kitchen, and here we have a sink. And here we have also a full bathroom. With a shower. And here we have the living room. With barrel ceilings. And from the living room we have access to a beautiful terrace. It's a very large terrace, perfect for having a meal outside. With a beautiful panoramic view of the surrounding hills, mountains and countryside. As you can see, the house is completely made of stone, and on this floor they decided to expose the stone. This part here is covered Now we can go upstairs. we find a small landing, and here we have the first bedroom with a balcony. Overlooking the garden and the paved patio, with a beautiful panoramic view of the mountains. Proceeding this way, we find an anteroom where they put 2 beds, but this part of the house could be converted into maybe a walk-in closet or another bathroom. And here we have another double bedroom with a window. As you can see, the house avails of central heating system in every room. From the covered patio and through the garden we can reach the ground floor, where we find a self-contained unit perfect for guests. We have an entrance here, this is the entrance of the self-contained unit. This room is perfect to be rented because you have a bed and also the kitchen area. And here you have the bathroom, full bathroom with shower. This door here can be closed to create a self-contained unit, because through here we have access to a laundry space. That's the second entrance that we saw earlier. And here we have a big room. It was originally a cellar. Here we have the water tank, very handy in case of water shortage. This is a storage room. And here we have a beautiful room with beautiful stone arches. With central heating system. So this property is a stone house in perfect conditions, sold furnished, with all utilities connected, including central heating system, with a garden, 2 terraces, and also an independent self-contained unit perfect for guests. And it's ready to live in. For more information, you can send an email to info@abruzzoruralproperty.com.